15 years, 20 years, 30 years? How long does a roof last? And if you're selling your house, at what point do you need to fork over the cash to replace it so that you can get the most money when you sell? So stay tuned. I'm Lindsay Johnson, your resource for all things real estate, and today we're gonna dive into when you need to replace your roof before you go ahead and sell the house. Roofs are becoming a bit of a pain point in the real estate market. As insurance tightens up, there's a lot of concerns with the age of a roof when you're selling a house. One of the first things to consider is the current condition of your roof. If you've got leaks and major issues, this is kind of a no-brainer. You've got to replace it before you list it. And the reason is even if you sell it as is, unless you've got somebody bringing in a cash offer, a lot of lenders are going to have a problem with that kind of roof. And even if the lender doesn't have a problem, the insurance companies are going to. Particularly in Florida since the pandemic and 2020, we've seen a lot of guidelines and insurance companies tighten. In fact, there's even some companies that will not insure a roof that's over 10 years old, which is crazy. So if there's leaks, if there's any major issues that you already know about, no question. Now, one of the tougher questions is, my roof is 12 years old and it's in good shape, or my roof is 15-year-old and it's in good shape. If you're above 15 years old, based on the insurance agents that I know and love and work with, I would say that you're probably gonna need to tackle roof replacement because you're gonna have insurance issues. Or price your home in a way and disclose right up front the age of your roof, the fact that you don't wanna replace it, so that buyers know they're buying into a new roof replacement in the near future and possibly a higher insurance premium. Now, if you're in the 12, 14 year range and your roof's in really good shape, in my professional opinion, I think you could probably keep it as is. And just again, always disclose the age of your roof. Please, if you've redone your roof or if you're getting ready to redo your roof, get it permitted. And that's another video for another day. But if you're really not sure, there's a couple of things you can do. One is to get a roof inspection. Yes, there are roofing companies who will come out and you can pay them a nominal fee and they'll come out and inspect your roof. That is also very helpful to provide for buyers to say, we know our roof is 13 years old, but so-and-so roofing company inspected it and here's what they said, it's in great shape. You can also potentially use that for the insurance companies and they like to be able to check that off the list. Roof replacement is a very hot topic right now. And as any agent who's out there in the field will tell you, it is causing some headaches in transactions, particularly as insurance guidelines are beginning to tighten day by day. So make sure when you're getting your house ready to sell that you really consider the honest age of your roof, the honest condition of your roof. And if you fall within that gray area, have a licensed professional, a roofer, come out and do a roof inspection because that can save you a lot of time and money at the end of the day. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out on how to increase your curb appeal when you're selling your house. I'm Lindsay Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. I'll see you next time.